Hello everyone, welcome to TechScale. Today we are going to talk about the Redmi 9 that is probably going to launch tomorrow, that is 27th of August in India. So here we are on the official Redmi website. Here we can see from the overview section that this phone is going to come into three variants, that is carbon grey color, sunset purple and ocean green. So the look of the phone is very much similar to the Redmi 9 Prime that has previously been launched in India and has been selling at the price of 10,000 rupees. That is the starting price. So for the in the performance side of view, we can see that this phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G80. That is probably G here is for the gaming segment. So the CPU here we can see it is based on the 12 nanometer architecture, and it has, you can see, it's an octa-core setup, that is 6 ARM Cortex and 2 ARM A75, and here with the Mali GPU, that is G52. So the base variant of this phone comes with 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage, and the higher variant probably comes with, that is 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. So maybe this will come to India, maybe or maybe not, because it's a region dependent. So this ROM is eMMC 5.1, so there is no UFS storage, any kind of not 3.1 or 3 or neither 2.1. So in the display front we can see that this smartphone consists of this full HD panel with a drop notch. You can see here, it is quite clearly visible from the screen here that this consists of a drop notch with full HD resolution and 394 ppi. So we can see that the NTSC percentage is 70%, that's a good point, and the peak brightness here we can see is 400 nits. So you can say that this smartphone will work just fine in bright sunlight. So it has standard mode and reading mode 2.0 as well. So here it's clearly mentioned that this also consists with the support of sunlight mode, so that you can easily read your or write your documents in the sunlight. So from the battery front of view, this smartphone is powered by a whopping 5020 mAh battery, that is typically of this capacity. So this you can see here that this supports that PM 3.1 technology, that is quick charge technology, and has come with the 18 watt fast charge. So there is a little thing to worry about, that is the charger with the box is just 5 volt and 2 amperes, that is 10 watt charger. So for the sake of fast charging, you have to buy this battery charger differently from the market itself. And here from the charging point we can see that this is this comes with the C-type charging port, and that's it. So C-type is becoming standard more and more these days. So here you can see that the camera is quad camera setup, and the front camera consists of a single camera, that is 8 megapixel selfie camera, and the rear camera is probably 30 megapixel, that is the main lens, 18 MP ultra wide, and 5 MP here is probably the macro lens, and Sec 2 MP data, that is depth sensor. So this is actually a gimmick. So technically it consists of 3 cameras. So that's it. And in the video front we can say this camera smartphone is capable of shooting at 30 fps videos at 1080p resolution and 30 fps video at 720p resolution. So that's it for this phone. And for the sake of unlock, you can see that here it consists of rear fingerprint sensor and this AI face unlock. So this smartphone supports VoLTE calling, and the good thing here is that this comes with 2.1, and that is 2+1 card slot design. That is, this means that you can put 2 SIMs and 1 micro SD card very easily. So from the dimension point of view, this smartphone is quite thick. You can say 9.1 probably. This is only due to the 5020 mAh moving big battery, and the weight of the it's balanced quite well. You can say it's 198 grams. So it's a good thing. So other than that, it consists of multiple sensors, that is actually very same in every smartphone. So guys, this is the all new Redmi 9. So let's wait for the official price. According to the specs, this should be below 10,000 rupees. If not 10,000, it should be below 11,000 rupees. Other than that, that's it. So that's all for this video, and if you like it, if you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. So that's all. See you in the next one.